Hey guys, so my name is Amitabh Verma, and this Saturday I'm going to be at GLA University in Mathura, and we are going to learn a little bit about digital marketing through the workshop there. So, in the half day workshop that we are going to have from 11 a.m. in the morning, we are going to cover four broad topics. We'll start with the web presence, like how do you build a web presence, and we'll try to do that with a blogging website. Then we are going to implement analytics on the website, and then we are going to visit each other's website and see how data is captured the real time. Then we are going to look at some basics and learn some basics of search engine optimization, and online advertising primer is also something we are going to do. Now, this session is very helpful for people who want to become entrepreneurs, for people who want to get into marketing and building businesses, and finally, for people who want to build their own brand. So, no matter what you're doing, no matter what your plans are, I'm sure you are going to find it helpful. So, like I said, my name is Amitabh Verma. As a bit of introduction, like I did my MBA from IIM Kozhikode. I'm the founder of AMP Digital, which is into training, agency, and building product and services in the area of digital. Before this, I was the head of global SMB services at Google, which I did for about 7 odd years. And before that, I was with ICICI Bank. So look forward to meeting you this Saturday at GLA University in Mathura. Thank you very much.